Hello guys, welcome back to a new video. I will show you how to fix Crunchyroll video not playing error on any device. So let's get started. First, open the Crunchyroll app on your phone. Over here, make sure you are logged into your account. After that, check your internet connection. Then, ensure you have a stable and working connection. Over here, if the video is still not playing, go to your Apps menu and find the Crunchyroll app. Then, tap and hold the app icon. After that, tap on the info icon. Over here, scroll down and go to the storage option. Then, tap on Clear Cache. After that, your app cache will be cleared. Over here, if the issue is not fixed, tap on Clear Data option. Then, confirm by selecting Delete. After that, reopen the Crunchyroll app and log in again. Over here, try playing the video once more. Then, if the issue still continues, go to your account section. After that, scroll down to the membership section. Over here, check your subscription plan status. Then, confirm if your membership is active or not. Finally, fix any subscription issue if required and try again. And that wraps it up. If you found this video useful, please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.